Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Carlos Santana's Samba Patti. Really hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you would like the full lesson and the guitar tab, that's available in the description. Let's get right into it. Alright, so let's jump into it. That's the first few bars. Okay, so that little walk up there is starting on the third string. It's just frets 2, 4, 5, and then on the second string, third fret, and then we're going to slide 4 to 5, still on the second string, and then the third fret on the top string. Okay, so. Okay, and then it's going to a G chord. And the chord progression is G, B minor, E minor, and then A minor 7. So, once we get to there, we're then going to a G, but hold down the third fret on the second string and the third fret on the sixth string, but start with the second fret on the second string, okay? And you're going to quickly hammer the third fret. So with that held down, play strings 2, 3, and 6 together, and then, as I say, quickly hammer the third fret on the second string. Just like that. So you get just like that. Okay, then I'll just do that. So a very light percussive tap, just to bring the thumb down on 2, on the count of 2, and then I'll play the bass again. So 1, 2, and just like that. 1, 2, and. Okay, then from there we're going to our B minor. And I'll then play with my fingers like this, using my pinky. I'll play the 4th fret on the 3rd string, then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then go to B minor and play strings 1 and 5. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Like that. And then just a very light strum on the chord, roughly targeting strings 2 and 3. So 1, 2, and then bass on the end of 2. 1. And then on the top string, we're going to play the 2nd fret, then hammer the 3rd fret, and then pull back off to the 2nd. So, and then play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So, just that. So, there we've gone. Okay, and then it goes to E minor, and you can just play strings 1, 2, 3, and 6 together. And then again, a very light percussive tap, followed by bass. And then a very light strum on the chord, just to fill out the sound a bit, on the count of 4. So if you put all of that together, you've played... Okay, and then it's to an A minor. You can just play the open 5th string. And then the chord progression goes round again, and it's more or less the same. Instead of playing 2 and 3 and 4 and, we play and a 3 and 4 and. So this time, the rhythm there is just a bit different. Instead of 2 and 3 and 4 and, we have and a 3 and 4 and. Okay, so E minor, and then the A minor. Okay, so that's it, but the rest, exactly the same. Okay, so I'll just play through all of those bars for you so you can see it all together, but essentially you're just repeating it twice. Here we go from the start. B minor, E minor, A minor, and then it's just the same. And then after that, we've got it's just so nice. Okay, so that's A minor, but I'm barring the 5th fret on the top 3 strings. So play the 5th string in the bass, and then play those top 3 strings, and then hammer the 7th fret. Okay, so like, so together, and quickly hammer the 7th fret. Okay, and then on the top string, we're going to go back to the 5th, hammer the 7th, and then pull off again. And then play the 8th fret on the 2nd string. So all together. Okay, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so. And then we're going to slide into this D chord here. So I'm starting on the top string, the 4th fret, and then on the next string it's the 6th, and same on the 3rd string. Play those 3 strings together and quickly slide up 1 fret, like that. So, okay, and then it's a D, so play the 4th string of the bass. And then we're going to go 6th fret on the top 3 strings all together and slide up to the 7th. Okay, then bass, and then I'll just strum that chord like that again. So there it's. Okay, and then it's back to that A minor, play the bass, and then those top 3 strings together. But this time, after that, we're going to hammer the 7, pull off to the 5th, hammer to the 7, pull off to the 5th. Okay, so, and then play the 8th fret on the 2nd string. So, it's really quick, but that's what it is. Okay, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and then back to our D just like this. 5th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret, and then we play the bass. Okay, so there once more, that's, and then open top string, and then 2nd fret on the top, pull off to open, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so. Like that. So we have played there. And then we got this. So there, that's open top string, 3rd fret on the 2nd, and then on the 3rd string, you're going to play 5, pull off to 4, hammer back to 5. So, then back to that 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open top string, and then down to A minor and play the 3rd string. So, okay. And then from there, you on A minor, so play the 5th string, and then strum, and then bass, so 1, 2, and then I'll strum again on 4, 4, so 1, 2, and 3, 4. and then to B minor, play strings 3, 4 and 5, and then 2, and then 5th fret on the 2nd string. Oh, so, and then the bass, and then top string, and then 5 pull off the 3 on the 2nd string. So, just like that. So. Okay, and then that. So we're going back to our A minor like this, and again play strings 1, 2, 3 and 5, and then hammer the 7th fret on the top, and then on the top string 5th fret, hammer to 7, pull off the 5th, and then play the 5th fret once more. So. And then on the 2nd string, play 8, 8, 5, 8, and then back to our D like this. Okay, play the top 3 strings, and then the bass. Okay, so. So from there, it goes right the way back to the start, and you play through it all over again, essentially. And again. There is a change coming up here. That, okay? Just on that 2nd E minor there of the G, B minor, E minor, okay, and then A minor. On that 2nd time on the E minor, you get this fill. Listen to the song, of course. He's playing it up here, okay, but I've done it lower. And then from there, it's exactly the same as what we've just done. Okay, so all repeats again, but just watch out for that E minor. So that lick there is, we come out of the B minor, 2nd time through of the chord progression, then it's the E minor, so play the 6th string, and then you're going to play the top 2 strings together, and then slide 3 to 5 on the 2nd string, so 1, 2, and then play a top string open, and then on the 3rd string you're going to go 3, slide to 2, pull off the open, and then play the 2nd fret on the 4th string, and 4 E and. So 1, 2 and 4 E and. Okay, so just watch out for that. Remember, it's the 2nd time through this chord progression on the E minor, but the rest is the same. Once you then get to that point, you're into the kind of like the 2nd half of the song. So if you want to learn how to play that, I'm teaching it over on my website. So if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to get the rest of the lesson, just follow the link through down in the description and you'll get it right away completely for free. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com for all of your fingerpicking and fingerstyle guitar needs. But that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you again. Cheers.